What up, pimps? We got another package here today. I think it's a pre-order. We're gonna have a geese. Alright, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, crikey. Oh! Yes. Alright. We've got Burst and Decay, Volume 2. Volume 1, really good. Volume 2, really good too. This album, the Volume 1 really helped me. Really helped me, man. Music saved my life, man. No, but it really helped me when I broke up with someone once, which was kind of not cool. It wasn't cool, but no, I'm cool. That's a lovely color. Okay. Let's go again. Let's go again. Oh, okay, that's right. Now we've got Keep Shining On, a tribute to Tim Landers. Tim Landers was a member of the community, the musical community I partake in, and he was missed by a lot of people now. It's sad. But this money from this record went to like his family and things like that. But let's see. Some lovely art, photography. Got lyrics on the back, and then we've got the colors. Beautiful. So I ordered unintentionally, just because I forgot I ordered it in the first place. I ordered a second copy, unfortunately, but that's okay. It's a different LP, different vinyl. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. I'm stoked. All right. Give me that. Yeah. Alright, we've got it. We've nearly got it. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Are they different backs? No. Okay. What color's this bad boy? Whoa. Whoa. Pretty fancy schmancy. Oh. I think that's the end. I'll see you guys. We're all good friends here in this community. My community.